What's up everybody, Kidandroid here. So yeah guys, the Huawei's Mate 30 family is now leaking a lot. Like few days ago, we saw a hands-on video of the Huawei's Mate 30 Pro screen protector, and 2 days ago, we saw this retail box leak of the Huawei's Mate 30 as well as this screen protector of the regular model. Well, today we got a hands-on look of the Huawei's Mate 30 Pro. So this picture basically gives us a good look at to the waterfall display of the Huawei's Mate 30. Guys, if we look closely though, this waterfall screen's curved bezels are far more than what's available on the OnePlus 7 Pro or the what's available on the Huawei's P30 Pro. And these curved edges are basically giving the device a very good look. And yeah, this wide notch seen at the top of the display is absolutely huge in this time around, and it appears to house a total of 3 cameras. That's not necessarily accurate though. It may look like a triple camera, but it may actually be a time of flight sensor. But right now we don't have enough information about that, even though right now we don't know the selfie camera resolution of the Huawei's Mate 30 Pro. The smartphone will feature a 6.6-inch AMOLED display with Quad HD Plus resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. And I think that this smartphone display will look absolutely fantastic. Well, as you know that Huawei decided to not launch the Harmony OS in the next Mate 30 family, but it is definitely planning to launch the Harmony OS in the next Huawei's P series. With that being said, Huawei's consumer business said during a media interview that if the situation does not change with the United States of America, the company will start using its Harmony OS in the next P smartphone series. He further confirmed that the Harmony OS is now ready for the smartphone, but the company is waiting to see if the situation with the United States of America gets better or not. So yeah, the Huawei's P40 may be the first smartphone that will feature the Harmony OS. So yeah guys, that was a quick video related to these news. What do you think about this live look of the Huawei's Mate 30 Pro? Do let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below, and if you like this video, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.